welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one is for my June base box, and gotta love the rainbowy colors for June. Anyway, so bunch of stuff in this one. Always love to see it. Ironically, there's more stuff in the base box than there is in the premium box for June. I'm not quite sure what's up with that. Even looking at, like, the values of stuff, it doesn't make sense. I'm like, okay. Anyways, so let's see here. First thing on here is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, which I'm actually pretty excited about. This retails for $38. It's a pumpkin glow facial cleanser. Like, dude, I am all about that, and you know it. Fortunately, the box is a little jacked up, and we'll get to why when we get to the offending item. It's not anything wrong with this product, it just jacked up the box it's in. So anyways, melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and acerola cherry, rich in AHAs, helps to brighten skin while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrate the skin. So I'm kind of curious, like, is this a cleansing balm or a normal cleanser or what? They're saying it's a butter. Massage butter into dry skin and rinse with warm water, or apply a cotton pad and wipe gently away over face and eyes. Over face and eyes, but if contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. So which is it? I'm so confused. But anyway, let's see. Interesting. Very interesting. So it looks like a corner of this is up, then the lid looks like that. That's why I'm like, wait, that better just be ink from the lid, but I think it is. Hopefully. Taking a peek. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, that peeled off really easy. That smells hella good. Pat that back down for now, but ooh, I is intrigued. I can't wait to try that one. That one's gonna be nice. Okay. So that's the first thing in the box. The second one, where is it? It's hiding from me. It's a NARS blush. One guess what color it probably is. Let's see, does it say? One guess what color it is! So this retails for $30. This cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. It's an orgasm, of course. It's always orgasm with NARS. Did they even make another color besides that one? It seems like they just have the one. I believe I've gotten this color from Sephora or something before, because I'm like, I've definitely seen this before. I definitely own this somewhere in my collection, even though I think it might be in a smaller pan, but I definitely have some form of this. And it is absolutely that color, too. Which is just hilarious to me, because I'm apparently a child who can't see that title without giggling. So that's already like $68 in value just between two items. Now we have the Luxie Florals brush set. Is that this? I think so. It's hella squishy. This is a $40 value, a Boxycharm exclusive. Soar into summer with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, a sponge. Okay, I was like, I feel a sponge. This isn't brushes. And a pouch, which includes the 219 eyeliner brush, 205 tapered blending brush, 213 eye shading brush, 211 concealer brush, a detailed blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. This is not pastel, my dudes. That's like a rich, bright purple. Have you seen pastel purple? Pastel purple is lavender. This is not lavender. I do love the rose gold, though. That is so cute. Ooh! Okay. Look at our colors. We've got more of that lovely mint that I love so much. Okay. Okay. Alright. I think this might be the first pointy liner one that I've got like that. So now I might actually try some of my dip liners that I've got. I don't have a lot but I have a few that I can try it with. Still not sure how I feel about sponges, but we'll try it. But yeah, that's hella cute. And I always love Luxie in general, just as a brand. I have really good luck with them. I love their brushes like crazy. I've never bought one with my own money. I always get them through like beauty boxes, but I'm always so excited when I get them. Part of it might just be loyalty of that was the first one that I ever got and I fell in love with it and now nothing else feels like it lives up to it. I don't know. Maybe it's just that good. Not sure, but I adore them. So 40 plus 68 would be what, 108 so far for 3 items. Now we have the Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. And this... I just had to do a double take at what this is worth, because that does not seem possible. The value on this is $122 for a lip serum. I was like, did I misread 12? Did I misread 22? Like, what? What? 122. Okay. It does sing to me. A lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. $122. Are you kidding? Like, for real right now? Like, you're serious? For that? For something that straight up looks like just a cloudy lip gloss. I think it's mint scented. I want to see if it's mint scented. Right, like, it costs $122. It does all this cool shit, but I'm like, ooh, but I think it's mint. I smell nothing, though. Weird. What the hell? Why does it say mint? If it's not mint. Oh my god, why won't this go back on? I'm so confused. Do we not have ingredients? Oh, we do have ingredients. I don't even see mint. What the fuck? Why does it say mint? What? Everything about this confuses me. Straight up confuses me. I don't know. I don't know what to even say about that. I don't even know. I'm just like, what the crap? How? What? Why? I don't know. Okay. Next is the NYS Collection Clarkson Avenue Sunglasses. Ooh, these retail for $35. These shades are your go-to everyday fashion frame with a perfect balance between timeless and edgy. They feature a slightly winged square frame, polycarbonate gradient lenses, gold metal accents, and a quilted embossed temple pattern. Let's see this. It says they're tortoise colored. Oh, like a little case. And these are $35. These feel so cheap. Like, you can hear this, right? That, like, hella cheap sounding plastic. I'm so confused. They're cute. They're hella cute. I'm gonna wear them. But, like, $35 for those? These feel like I could find these at Ross for, like, under 10. Okay, those are really cute, though. Like, straight up. Those are cute as shit. Alright. I do really like them. Even if they do feel kind of like a scam for 35 bucks. But I mean, that's pretty damn cute. I got it right. Get back on with the normal glasses. Boop. Alright. Next. This guy? Yeah. Okay, so this is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. This retails for $46. For this. 46 bucks. What are you guys doing with your money? I'm so confused. Enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this Revive Body Gel for skin that feels hydrated and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and the stimulating rosemary help promote even skin texture and boost energy. Okay. Alright then. Next. From Dr. Brandt. Ooh, it's a Pride edition of whatever it is. There's hashtag say I love you on it. Triple antioxidant face cream. And this retails for $64. My goodness. This antioxidant-enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. Okay. I got 64 bucks, wow. But like, you see what I mean, where I'm like, and yet the value on this box, the base box, is so much higher than the premium box. I am so damn confused. And finally, the last item in here, which leaked, and that's why I'm holding it where you can see it leaked all over shit. It leaked all over other stuff in there. It's still usable, it's still got plenty in it, but it did leak, which pisses me off a little. This is the Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash, which retails for 25 bucks. This invigorating hand wash is power-packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland, and enriched with locally sourced ingredients. It helps clear the mind, energize, and inspire. Frankly, I'm going to be super real with you. It being so overpowering by leaking on everything else in the box, I kind of don't like the smell of this already, and I haven't even properly used it. But I might just be being biased, but, yeah, it feels like a bit much to where it's almost a little bit gaggy to me. I'm like, oh yeah, I kind of don't know how I feel about that one. Yeah, I really wish it hadn't leaked on all my shit, but what can you do? So, asked them if they could provide me a non-leaking one. They said they're sold out of it. So, oh well. I tried, but anyways, that's it for this one. So, as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!